Hi everyone, it's Adam from Flame. So glad you can join me for another YouTube demonstration. So I thought we'd do something fun today. Be using some proteas, hyperion, got some sea holly, sort of that native South African sort of look. Lovely pinks here. And so what we're going to do is just add a few dry flowers to the arrangement just to make it a bit more fun, a bit more modern. So they could just pass off as a little posy already. But we're going to go a bit more beyond that. I haven't really planned out. Ooh. I haven't really planned out what flowers I'm going to use. We'll just see where they take us. Hopefully we get something interesting. The lovely palm trees. I think we're getting somewhere. Just going to add some more leucadendron just to the side. So that's the front, and we're just going to spike him out. Lovely billy button. Another bunning tail, but in the white. And we'll just distinguish left or right. Get some lovely red top. It's a bit more tropical. A bit more exaggerated, which is the nice sort of dramatic effect. Just going to add one more just on the top there. So we get into our ideal shape now. I might have a favourite preserved flower. That's probably a ming fern. I don't know if that would be overkill. Put on the pink side. I think that's too much. I'm just going to add one more sea holly and then we'll just round it out. So just place the sea holly just on the top there. And there's our sort of final piece. And here's the final bouquet. here's the final bouquet.